Organics is definitely not a mainstream thing, it's probably still not. It has its challenges for sure. So we grow 16 different lines of vegetables, from tomatoes through to cucumbers, red capsicums, cauliflower, celery. We have pickers come in, pick by hand. We take them into the shed and then run them through the grading machines to get them nice and clean from any dirt or dust or whatever, and then package them up. Road freight to Perth is nearly 4,000 kilometres. To be able to send over there, you need a strong box. We pack in disruptive packaging boxes. Number one thing that took my eye to start with, obviously the colours you can have on the outside. It's a very shiny, good-looking box that helps sell in the wholesale market. I really like the product, strong, durable, and the most important thing is actually recyclable, which is really, really good. When you can see a nice crop and it's growing well and you're getting fruit and we're sending it out, it's good quality, that definitely is rewarding.